The Lord is righteous in all his ways and kind in all his deeds. Psalm 145 verses 17. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's menu, we will be making Gob3, the most popular street food in Ghana, which is so incredibly delicious, pocket friendly, and very nutritious. This was the gateway for me to introduce Ghanaian meal to my Caucasian friends. They absolutely love this. You'll be blown away as to how easy it is for you to prepare this. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and let's whip this real quick together. Let's get started. So here I have 2 cups of black-eyed beans, and I will be needing about 5 to 4 pieces of fried plantains. I do have avocados as well, and I have 1 large onion, stockfish head, which is the kako. I also have some palm oil and cassava granules, aka gari, yes, and some salt to taste. Of course, there are a few ingredients more, which I will list each and every ingredient below in the description box. All right, so first off, I would like to wash off my beans. Make sure I get rid of any foreign items that I do not want in my beans. And I will start off by cooking my beans. This will take about 40 to 45 minutes. Please make sure you add enough water. Let it go all the way up to your pot. Make sure it has enough water. It's really important. Okay, I went ahead to add my stockfish head because it's really tough as well. I'm going to go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook for the next 45 minutes or so. And be sure to come back and stir once in a while to make sure that the bottom does not burn. And also, it's really important not to season it with salt right away. Okay. So after 40 minutes of cooking the beans, it has softened up. So it's now time for me to add some seasoning. So more seasoning, I'll be adding a tablespoon of some herring powder, exactly what you would love to use in your chateau. It tastes absolutely delicious in my bean stew, which I always love, and hence I applied it here as well. So I'll add about a handful of some chopped onions and some habanero pepper for even greater taste. All right, so once I'm done, I'll cover it and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes, and we should be done. You should also make sure you do not lose the watery part of the beans. It really going to help, combine the gari and everything together. We don't want the beans to be very dry. Okay, now let's fry some plantains. I always go for the old-fashioned way of cutting plantains. You can go ahead and cut it in any form, size that you prefer. All right. So we are done with everything. It is so important for me to season my plantain. I know a lot of people fry it right away, but season it with a bit of salt. Try it and you will love it. Okay, sweetness and a bit of saltiness is key. Just allow this plantain to sit for about a minute. Make sure that it has received the salt very well. Okay, while waiting, I'll go ahead and chop some few onions and also crush my habanero pepper as well. Once we're done, we go ahead with the frying process. In my frying pan, I'm going to add lots of oil. We do not fry plantains with a little bit of oil. It's going to soak up all the oil and you don't want that. Okay, make sure you add enough oil just so that it fries perfectly, just like this. Just look at this. So after frying the plantain on each side for about 5 minutes, we are done. go ahead and do the second batch as well until every bit of the plantain is fried. And now I'm going to go ahead and infuse my palm oil with the chopped onions and the habanero pepper, and I am going to also crush about 3 cloves of garlic in here. It is very important. All right, it makes the palm oil taste so good. Allow it to slowly fry for about 2 minutes and you should be done. All right, absolutely delicious. So right now we are officially done. All that we have to do is serve, and we are about to enjoy, proper enjoyment. That consistency was just perfect. In case you're wondering how to plate it, this is how to do it, okay? Go in with your beans first and sprinkle or splash your beans with a bit of gari or the cassava granule. This really depends on how thick or light you want yours. I want it just in between, not too thick and neither too light. All right, and you may now go in with that glossy infused palm oil. Do not forget about those lovely caramelized onions. They make a very good statement out there. All right, and then goes in your fried red plantains, and that is it. Any other thing is purposely for garnishing. For example, I add some boiled eggs. It does not need to be there, but I love it in there, and some avocados as well. So delicious. You can also decide to add a splash of shito. It goes so well. All right, this is how the plating will be done in restaurants. But in the streets, when we go to the streets, it is served on the leaves, which is the authentic one. I think the leaves also give a little bit of touch and taste to which I absolutely love. There you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching right to the end. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. And if this happens to be your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for new amazing recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.